Hey guys, Sean here with Travel Camp. I want to talk to you about seals on your unit. So every periodically so often you want to go around and just eyeball the silicone that's sealing your rails and your fixtures. And you want to make sure you're not letting water get into your camper. So you use 100% silicone, reseal this. You want to remove any flaking off silicone like this. You've got large seal voids in here all throughout these cracks and crevices. That's going to allow water in, and that's going to rot out this corner. There's wood behind here. Not all units are wood. A lot of them are aluminum, but you still have insulation and wood paneling on the other side of that aluminum. So it can still rot. And plus you're allowing it into your floor. You don't want any of that. So you're gonna seal it with clear silicone, 100% silicone, and you're gonna do every fixture. Everything that's attached to the body of this unit, you need to make sure it's sealed. So just routinely when you're loading up your camper, look around your seals, make sure that they're all good. If there's anything that does need addressed and you're about to go on a trip, just lay some silicone over it real quick until you can address it better later.